to the growing area, it's going to be, let's say 3.25. Okay, and then from there 3.25, and then from the growing area to the bottom of the crochet area, it's going to be like 6.5. So 3.25 plus 6.5. Okay, so that will be the total, which is about 9.75. So that will be the total length from where I wanted the waist to begin, minus the contrast colors, to the bottom of my area, like my crochet area. Okay, so that's what it is. And then as you can see, I start increasing right here.